Hi, in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to add products in Shopify store. Come to the computer screen. Here is the admin panel of your Shopify store, and in left side, you will find option of products. Click here. Here you will find all the products you have added to your store. I'm going to add a new product. You have to click add product. Here we go. Now we have to fill this form. Let's come to the title. For example, our product is pizza. We have to write the pizza here. Here you will put some description. In my case, I am going to put some dummy text here. Media files, pictures for this. Let's suppose I'm going to put this image here. Now pricing 1000, comparison prices 9,000, cost per item, let's suppose 5,000 cost. Oh, sorry, it's 800 and cost is 200. So it's 80% margin for this product. You can see the real-time calculation here. Now you have to put some inventory. If you have a stock keeping unit or barcode, you can put it here. Continue selling when out of stock. You can check this according to your requirement. Shop location availability, you have to put the inventory here. Let's suppose I am putting it 100. Shipping weight, you have to put weight of product here. You have to select the country from here. In my case, I'm going to put Pakistan. If you have some harmonized code, you will put it here. If your product have variant, then you will select this checkbox. Like size, I'm going to put it small, done, and medium and large. Now you have to put the done here, size, done. You can edit it. Now you can see the variant that you have created. You can put its prices, like small is of 500 and it is of 800 and this is of 1000. Put its picture here. Let's suppose I want to put some dummy pictures here. Add image. Add image. Now you will select this and done. Now here select this and done. Now here select this and done. Here is the search engine listening. Now come to the right side, your productive active or draft. If you want to publish this, then you have to select the active. Sales channels and product category. This is food beverage. You can select it according to your requirement. Product type, you can put food here, and if you have some collection, you can put it here. And tags, if you have some tags like pizza, fast food. Now we have two tags. So this is a way to add the product in your Shopify store. Now after setting up all options, you have to save this. Now you can see when we click the product, I have two products now. That's the end of today's discussion. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Keep watching the next one.